Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video and update, weekend update on Ethereum. Hope you're all doing great, of course. Hope you all had a great start of the weekend. And yeah, in this video, we'll just take a brief look at Ethereum. What's been going on? What happened yesterday? Yesterday was quite a volatile day, and I do have some answers for that for you. But also, what can you expect from the weekend? And what can you expect from the beginning of next week? So let's get right into it. As I said, Ethereum yesterday, together with the entire market, to be frank with you, was quite volatile. I mean, you can see that we started relatively bearish at the beginning of the afternoon, and then we had a spike up, which was all. And this is actually quite special and quite interesting, I think, at least. What we had is yesterday we had some important economic numbers coming out for the US. About employment. So you have non-farm payrolls, so basically how much more payrolls are paid out in the US, but also the unemployment rate, which is obviously just what it means. And you can see that it was expected that it was a little bit higher, but it was actually lower than last time, which is extremely bullish for the US, all right? If you can even say those words about a country. But that caused two things. First of all, it caused the dollar strength index to go up. Because obviously if it's going better with the US economically, the dollar is also doing better. And usually, as most of you know, if the dollar strength index is going up, crypto is going down. However, with this news, I mean, obviously it's also bullish for crypto if more people earn money. If more people are working, that's 100% bullish for crypto. So that's why we reacted a little bit weird to it. And we're actually quite bullish off of a technical touch here, off of the 28 EMA, that blue line. So yeah, we're in a great spot with Ethereum, and right now I actually think we can continue the bullish momentum. I mean, obviously yesterday what I said is that we would drop down to this level right here around 1610, and that eventually I did think we would start to try to break above 1675 and 1680 again, and that is what we're doing right now. And this news, I think the market will quickly forget about this, and then in 10 days we'll have the inflation rate coming, which is probably also going to invoke some bullish sentiment for crypto, assuming that it's going to keep dropping. I mean, if that would not keep dropping, that would be very bad news. But with all of that, I think we can actually continue this bullish momentum for crypto, but also for Ethereum. And then for Ethereum specifically, obviously we'll have the Shanghai upgrade coming as well in the next months. We'll have to see what that does to the price. I don't think it's really affecting the price that much. Maybe it held us back a little bit initially right here, but it's not significant enough to really talk about that. So altogether, I still think that Ethereum is very bullish right now. You could even consider us being in this. You could even consider us being in some sort of an upwards channel right here. But altogether, I think the fundamentals line up. I think the fundamentals are bullish, and with the fundamentals, I mean mostly the economic circumstances. And I think the technicals are still very strong. I mean, obviously we consolidated the last couple of weeks between 1650 and 1550, but right now we're we're confidently above 1600, which is the main level in the middle. And we're really trying to break above 1675 and 1680, so I think it's just a matter of time before we'll be able to break above that as well. Now for this weekend, I'm not expecting that much volume or momentum. I even think it's quite possible that we'll drop down to 1600, but somewhere next week, I do think that we can expect to break above 1600. And then we'll slowly, I mean, it's probably not going to be a huge pump, but then we'll slowly start to get up to our next price target, which, as most of you know, for me has been this level between 1760 and 1800 for quite a while now. That's historically that's a significant resistance level, as you can see. So yeah, that's what we're aiming for. I'll keep you updated, of course, on Ethereum, but for now this is my my weekend update. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care. Thanks for watching, and bye.